A Hamas delegation will arrive Sunday to join the talks, the militant group said. Now, the talks come days after international condemnation of Israeli airstrikes that killed 7 humanitarian workers with the World Central Kitchen charity. The Israeli military described it as a tragic error.
8 groups said the mistake is hardly an anomaly. The UN says at least 198 workers were killed in Gaza through the end of March. According to the territory's health ministry, the death toll from the war in Gaza has reached 33,137 lives so far. Its toll doesn't differentiate between civilians and combatants.
Gaza's southernmost city of Rafah now holds more than half of the territory, 2.3 million people, and Israel's vow to carry out a ground offensive there has caused weeks of dread and warnings even from Israel's top ally, the United States.